Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing how I built an automated AI news agent that connects to Notion, and what it is able to do is all of the news that the Claude automation runs and search through, it's going to post that to a Notion page for me. And so I'll show you a little bit about the pipeline. This is the architecture of the pipeline. So it's basically running a cron job with Claude, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And then it's searching Anthropic, agent frameworks, key engineers, AI tools and topics. And then on the agent layer, Claude is going to be searching all of these. And actually another thing too, as I create these tutorials, it's going to figure out does this have tutorial potential? And so it's creating a little bit of a filter. And then the output is that it's going to go to my Notion page, and then the team can always go ahead and create that. What I did was I just went into Cowork tab, and you do need to have the pro license in order to use Cowork. But I set up a new chat and I just started asking it like, hey, I'm looking to create a daily AI news digest. What's so amazing about this is that it's really beginner friendly. Anyone can get into it. So I'll just kind of go into the conversation that I had and scroll up to the top. Another thing that you'll need to do is connect your Notion as a connector. So if I click this plus sign and I go to connectors, you can manage connections and you can add Notion through this connectors here. But what I did here is if you go to the Setup AI Daily News Search chat, note that I'm not in the scheduled prompt section, I'm in the chat. I'm asking, hey Claude, I'm looking to create an AI Daily News task that's gonna run on a schedule for me. And then we kind of went back and forth. I did test it out several times and try it out. And then I actually got AI to run it a few times for me. So if I go into Notion and I pull up my Notion page, and I go to AI News, let me just pull this up here. This is what it ran today. And so you can see my AI News page. Everything is being pulled in here. And just so I can run it again, what I'll do is I'll ask, can you please schedule this task again? Or sorry, please run this test again. The task is already scheduled. Let me trigger a fresh run. So it's actually going to write the new news to this AI news section. And what's really nice about this is I see, okay, Claude Sonnet 4.6 and Claude Opus 4.6 have launched. And then I can actually go to the Anthropic release notes. I can kind of read about it. And this just really helps to understand, okay, what is going on. It really helps with staying on top of everything. And this has been really helping me. So we'll just kind of let that run. And as that's running, I'll kind of go back to my Scala draw here. And thank you so much for watching. If you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, it's just Berto Mill, BertoMill. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this to keep everything going. And thank you so much for watching.